So all the gurus will tell you to start a business, start a business, start a business. And even I'm going to give you that same advice because everyone should start a business because of all of the benefits you get. And the question is, well, okay, but what kind of business should I start? And I want to give you the best business advice that I could ever give to you. Find a proven business model, something that is already working, make it your own and execute. Because this is exactly what I did. There were these bloggers making $100,000 every single month, and I only needed to make $2,000 a month. So I wanted to see exactly what were they doing to get to that number. I followed their proven business model, I made it my own, and I executed. Now keep in mind, I only made $5,000 that whole entire year that I first got started. But I trusted the process because the very next year, I made over $200,000. So what kept me going in the rough times is knowing that this business model was going to work, but it would just take some time. Because don't be fooled, it takes time to have a successful business. Now in this video, I'm not gonna be talking about blogging, but what I wanna do is share with you some proven passive income business ideas that you can actually go ahead and copy and paste. Use their same proven business model and make it your own and execute. These are things that people are actually doing today, so I want you guys to listen up. You ready? Let's go. Now with this first one, I'm going to briefly mention it because I have a whole video tutorial on how it works. But what I'm talking about is utilizing the Amazon Influencer Program. It is one of the best and easiest passive income business ideas on this list. So Carissa DeVries, she made $80,000 in only 10 months from creating product review videos like this. Now this is an example of mine and I never show my face. It's about 1 minute long. I'm using my smartphone and it's made me a couple $100s from just doing a couple videos like this. It's insane. And the more you put into it, the more you actually gonna get out of it. Like seriously guys, I'm telling you, anyone can do this. College students, stay-at-home moms, retirees, people with a 9-to-5, you can do this. It's a great way to make money passively on the side, and a lot of people don't even know this exists. So that's why I love talking about this, because I want to share with you guys some real good business ideas that you can do, especially on the side. So to get a full understanding of how it all works, I'll link that tutorial in the description below because you're gonna be blown away how easily it is to make money from this. Now, these are gonna get better and better, so make sure you guys are staying tuned. So the next one is something that you are watching right now, and that is YouTube. And before you count this out, let me tell you, I am not one of those people that enjoy creating and making videos. I am literally reading a script right now that I put together on my phone, and I'm talking from a teleprompter because being in front of the camera is just not my comfort zone. I don't know how to stay to a script. And let's not even talk about my lazy eye over here that likes to go to sleep when I press record. I have so many insecurities, but let me tell you this. I started this channel because I interviewed Nate O'Brien on my blog, and when he told me that he made $30,000 in just the month of January just from ads, I said, okay, where's my camera? Because I am not going to allow my fears hold me back from living a life of freedom by only just doing a couple videos a month. This has now given me an opportunity to just make money passively on the side. So that's why I'm talking about this is a great business idea because I do it myself. And it's great also because it's passive. Now, a lot of people don't do videos like I do, but I'm very intentional on how I do my videos because it's all about getting stuck in the search results for me. I don't depend on friends and family to come and watch my videos. I don't like self-promoting, like, check me out, check out my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe. Only here on my YouTube channel am I talking about that. But nowhere else you're gonna find that. I dabbled a little bit in social media, but I don't like doing social media, so I stopped. So I only do videos on YouTube. I publish it and that's it. I'm not promoting it anywhere else other than my email list. And I do have a Facebook group, a private Facebook group that I promote my videos to, but that's the only places. So the way I make money on YouTube is through affiliate commissions and ad revenue primarily. And I focus on getting stuck in the search results so it can become passive. So for an example, if someone were to look up on YouTube how to sell dog treats. You'll find a video that I did on YouTube over 2 years ago, and I'm like the first video you might see. And this is how it's becoming so passive, because I find out what videos people are searching for on YouTube. I create a video very intentionally, and then it gets stuck in the search results using my method, and then I'm just making money all the time because I have ads on that video and I promote a product in that video. And if people are actually searching for how to sell dog treats, there's a course that actually can help them even more. So I promote that and I tell them that they can take that, and a lot of people take my advice and take that course. Now, whenever someone actually makes a purchase from that course, I earn a commission from that. So that is one of the ways that I make money here on YouTube passively. Like 2 years ago, I'm still stuck in the search results, and that's just one video I'm sharing with you guys. Most of my videos are stuck in the search results. So I have had so many people ask me like, how are you actually able to do this? How do you get the plaque? How do you make money passively? Because even before I hit 100,000 subscribers, I was already making a really good full-time income working part-time hours. So I'm finally putting something together. So if you guys are interested in learning about how I make money on YouTube using my strategy, then I'm gonna put the link in the description below so you can get access to that and actually see how I do it, and if you like the same type of model. Now next, I want to quickly talk about one of the most important things you may not know you need to have when it comes to running a business, and that's having a domain name. You know, you want to think of your domain name as your business address for the internet. You know, how are people finding you? And a lot of businesses, they like to use URLs that are catchy and easy to recall when they're trying to say, oh, what's your website name? But it is so tough to secure a domain name with millions of businesses vying for their customers' attention. So I wanted to start another website a couple of years ago, and I could not actually find a domain name that was available. They were all taken. So I just said, just forget it. I put that idea on the shelf. And I wish I had known about what I'm about to share with you right now, because now there is an option called .online. So .online domain is the world's second biggest new domain name extension, with over 3.4 active domains all over the world. And whether it's like an international pop sensation building his brand on the .online website, like Maluma.online, or Italy's biggest publication in Open.online, or a Florida-based small business owner like Susan Aaron growing her business on Radiate.online. Like, this is the new wave of how people are actually naming their websites. So using a .online domain gives the audience an immediate impression of your brand's ability to cater to all their needs online. So that's why it's preferred. If you have a website where a lot of your offerings are online, you should probably use a .online extension. And it also makes your URL more memorable, because people don't often see that all the time. They'll be like, oh, it's .online. And let's also talk about the SEO benefits of a .online extension, because over 130 million people, they use the word online on Google every single month. And this is a perfect way to help boost your rankings up in the search results, because every little bit counts when you're trying to get visibility. And because the word online is understood in over 24 global languages, this means that you have the ability to describe and take your business globally by just your domain name. And if you ever tried to get a domain name from using other extensions, you're going to know how incredibly hard it is to find something that is actually available. Using this option, you actually have a large inventory of actual available names that you can use. So if you're ready to kickstart your .online business journey, you can grab your .online domain name from GoDaddy, Namecheap, Wix, you know, whichever one you fancy, because .online can be found everywhere. And here is the exciting part. They are sponsoring this video, and they are giving my viewers a very special deal. So just for 99 cents, you can get a .online domain name for the whole entire year. So I'm gonna put the discount code in the description below, and I wanna thank them for sponsoring this video, because this is an awesome opportunity for you guys that you should definitely take advantage of when you have a business. Now let's get back to the list. And the next one is something my sister is doing on the side, and they are doing well. So this passive income business idea is called short-term or mid-term rentals. So what they did was they got a loan and they bought a nice home in a nice area, and they furnished it. And they used platforms like Airbnb and a couple others to list their property available for rent. Now this all happened recently, but They had someone pay them for 2 months, $4,000 a month for an insurance housing claim, and their monthly mortgage is much, much less than that. Now, they are also targeting travel nurses because the home is near a large hospital, and they are also targeting large corporations because that is where the money is. And people traveling are willing to spend well over your monthly mortgage price. And if you don't have the capital to just go ahead and buy a home, something you can do is rent a property, furnish it, and charge more than the monthly rent and make a profit that way. Now, this is called rental arbitrage, and you will need to actually go ahead and check to make sure that the renter does allow you to rent it out to other people. And you're going to need landlord insurance and renter's insurance if you're gonna do something like this. But this is a really smart way to get your feet wet if you wanna try something like this. Now, before we get into the one where this guy is making over $100,000 a month, and I'm gonna use the same business model he is, let's talk about this other business idea that I think is very rewarding, and that is becoming a finance coach. Now, you wouldn't believe the amount of people that do not know how to manage their finances, and you can actually make money by helping them. You can earn a real healthy 6-figure income from home, helping people eliminate debt, optimize their cash flow, and achieve financial freedom. So you get to make money and help people. It's like a total win-win. Now, this isn't for everyone, but this could be for you. And if it is, I have access to a course that shows you 6 steps to a 6-figure financial coaching business that costs $3,500. And guess how much it's going to cost you? Nothing. But it's only available to the first 100 people that sign up, and this is not sponsored, so don't think that this is, I'm just trying to tell you this because it's sponsored. It's a really good opportunity that I have access to, but it's only available for the first 100 people. So you get to learn from experts and build your business step by step, and use Wi-Fi as your coaching tool that I talked about in this video. Now, this tool is pretty awesome, so if you ever thought about becoming a financial coach, definitely take advantage of this opportunity. Okay. The last one. This one is one of the best and most lucrative passive income business ideas that I want to share with you guys. And that is starting a SaaS business. Now, this stands for selling software as a service. So it's not as hard as it sounds, but you have to be strategic about it if you're going to do well. Because I tried this and I failed miserably. I was trying to do things my own way, just figuring it out my own. And I need to follow my own advice to follow a proven business model, make it my own, and execute. So this time around, I'm actually gonna follow someone who has had success in this, and that's no other than Dominic Baptist. This guy is 26 years old. He made over $2.5 million using this strategy just last year. So I'm gonna go ahead, take my time, master this tool, and the tool that I'm talking about is Go High Level. So Go High Level is an all-in-one marketing tool where you can house your courses, digital products. You can have a customer relationship management system. You can manage your ads, leads, email, text, social, everything. Now, I use this for my business today. I use it for my private Facebook group. I use it for email. I use it for texting. I use it for another website, funnels, all of it. It is all inside this tool. So it's so cool, but it is a big learning curve. Like when I first started, I didn't know what I was doing, but now the more I'm acclimated with it, it's starting to make sense. And you can even white label this and make it look like your own software. So I can actually, instead of saying Go High Level, it could say Whitney's Agency. So this is what Dominic used to build his business. So first, he had a land clearing business, and he used this software that helped his business, like organize everything. Everything needs to be put in one place. If you have a business, you need a CRM system. You need email, you need text, you need something like that. And this tool worked for him. So he helped someone else out with this tool, and that's when the light bulb popped on, because Go High Level has an amazing affiliate opportunity. So with their affiliate opportunity, you get 40% monthly recurring commissions. So at the lowest level, people can sign up at $97 a month, and that would mean that you would get $38 every single month if that person is a continued paying customer. But this is not how Dominic is able to make $2.5 million. Like, this helps it, but what he does is he likes to promote the higher paying ones, because that way he makes more with monthly affiliate commissions. So to have an actual agency account, It costs $497 a month. Now remember, you're getting 40% commission off of that every single month. So just with a couple of people that you refer this to, you're gonna make a nice amount. And the more you do, the more you're gonna make. And he's on YouTube, he's on TikTok, he's everywhere promoting this tool, and that's how he's able to like make $2.5 million. Now what his strategy is that he's so helpful. He gives out so much free information, and the only thing you need to do is just buy the software. So it's at no extra cost to you, that you just need the software to run your business. So he wants to encourage you and help you learn this tool so you can continue paying every month. It's actually a neat business model because you use it for yourself, you see how it works, you can help other people use the same tool, show them how it works. They have to pay for it anyway. You just refer them, and now you get to make a monthly recurring income. So that's why this is one of the best business ideas, because this is a tool that I can actually vouch for and say that it's a great tool. So to get started with Go High Level and trying this all out, what I recommend you do is actually going ahead first and doing some research first, because I can't go all of it into this video. But on YouTube is a great place to get started to understand like how can you make money from Go High Level and to see how other people are doing it. Find a proven business model that is working for someone else and see how it can work for you. Get some results in and then start sharing the same process with other people for free. You don't even have to try and charge anything. And then the only thing they have to do, or they don't have to, but you would want to encourage them, is to sign up with your unique referral link. So that way you can actually make a monthly recurring commission as they are continuing with the tool. You get to continue making money. So that's how this all works. I love it. And it's a business model that works. And I think it's a great passive income because he doesn't have to work anymore. So anyway, which business idea on this list do you like? Which one do you want to try? I'd love to hear from you guys. And I also love to see like who is still here, who made it to the end. So if you made it to the end of this video, let me know in the comment section by saying I made it, so I can see who actually stuck around to the end of this video. And if you want to see how Carissa was able to make $80,000 in 10 months using the Amazon Influencer Program, the program that I'm telling you anyone can do, go ahead and watch this video right now. It will blow you away how easily you can make money on the side every single month. As always, thanks for watching and have a great day.